It's very easy to get excited about niche marketing. After all, how can you argue with working only a few hours per week while enjoying a full week's or even a full month's income? As awesome as the idea of online passive niche marketing income may be, achieving this reality is another thing entirely. A lot of people fail to make money online because they don't know how to pick niches the right way. They end up building the wrong kind of business. Regardless of how much time, effort, and money they put into their business, nothing seems to work. At best, they're forced to settle for cents on the dollar. At worst, they don't make any money at all. Picking a niche the smart way involves several filters. You can't wait to just build a website and get going. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand the mental connection with your target audience. You will learn to identify key starting points. You will understand what works and what doesn't work. You can begin to understand the specific types of content that generate a lot of the results that you're looking for. You are going to learn how to build a self-sustaining and self-reinforcing system that can ultimately lead to victory. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Niche Marketing Secrets, what you need to know to build a winning money-making system. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. How to pick a niche the smart way. Creating a niche brand home. Design your niche content system for maximum conversion. Build a successful niche content creation system. Promote each piece of content systematically. How to become a niche authority quickly. For maximum SEO, get .edu links like a champ. Monetize your brand systematically. Optimize your brand systematically. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually get started with a system-based approach to niche marketing. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to achieve more predictable success you can duplicate not just with your current niche, but with other niches as well. You want to build a home for the brand you will be creating. You know that if you don't build a brand, it's only a matter of time until your business stagnates or flat out fails. You want to achieve greater success with niche marketing. You want to learn how to dominate your niche. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Niche Marketing Secrets Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Niche Marketing Secrets Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Niche Marketing Secrets Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to build a successful niche content creation system, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If, for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you get started with a system-based approach to niche marketing. I'll see you on the inside.